Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Abbeville, Louisiana? Look no further than LA Waste Solutions. We pride ourselves on delivering not just dumpsters but comprehensive solutions tailored to enhance project efficiency and environmental responsibility designed to meet your requirements. Whether you're embarking on a residential renovation, overseeing a commercial construction project, or organizing a community event, our comprehensive selection of dumpster sizes ensures we have the perfect fit for your needs. LA Waste Solutions is committed to customer satisfaction and environmental stewardship. We work hard to keep our city clean while implementing eco-friendly disposal practices. Our dedicated team ensures timely delivery and efficient pickup, allowing you to focus on your project while we handle waste management. Our experienced team also handles logistics seamlessly, ensuring your dumpster is delivered and removed according to your schedule, minimizing disruption to your project. Need peace of mind with responsible waste disposal? Call LA Waste Solutions at 337-888-4951 or visit our website at www.lawastesolutions.com. Dumpster Rental Abbeville, LA, to book your dumpster today. LA Waste Solutions, your trusted partner for efficient waste management solutions in Abbeville, Louisiana, and beyond.